As educators, we know that learning doesn't happen in a vacuum. It happens in spaces that inspire curiosity, in environments that encourage collaboration, and in facilities that signal to students that they and their education matter deeply. Block 02 represents our commitment to ensuring that EABH students receive a high-quality education in spaces designed for how learning happens today. These new facilities will continue to fulfill our mission to empower compassionate agents for a better future. When we look across the world, we see that the most successful schools are those that create environments where students can receive an education that truly prepares them for our global society. Our community has spoken, and they've told us clearly through survey and feedback that investing in our facilities is something they want and something they value. Block 02 is our response. We're building what students need to thrive: modern science labs, flexible learning studios, collaborative spaces that reflect how students today learn. This isn't about aesthetics, it's about impact.
The beginning of the next phase of our master plan is a momentous occasion for the American School of Belo Horizonte. A lot of work has gone into this over many years to prepare for this moment, and it's going to be very exciting when we're able to open this new facility. The master plan plays an important part in our strategic plan, which has the American school growing over many years to a larger size that's more impactful for students and teachers, and provides a richer experience and more opportunities for our entire community. So how is a project like this possible? The Escola Americana is not a for-profit business. It's a non-profit association where all of the families that are members of our community are members of the association. And so large capital projects like this are the result of many years of hard work among many people across our entire association. And it's taken many years to raise the money and to prepare for this momentous occasion. And in order to continue to move forward, it's important that all members of our association participate in supporting the school as we move into the future of Escola Americana.
Os novos edifícios da Escola Americana chegam para ampliar a capacidade e entregar aos alunos o que há de mais moderno em tecnologia, equipamentos e materiais. As salas têm proteção acústica. O design foi inspirado na missão da escola e nas melhores práticas internacionais. Priorizamos o uso de luz natural, segurança, flexibilidade e acabamentos de alto desempenho. E seguimos o conceito de Learning Space, onde a escola inteira é viva. Cada parede, cada mobiliário, cada circulação funciona como um recurso pedagógico que apoia o aprendizado. Tudo isso foi pensado para atender cada etapa do desenvolvimento. Na educação infantil, as crianças já têm acesso a salas especializadas, como brinquedoteca, laboratório de matemática e labs, com tecnologia de projeção, para que a inovação faça parte da rotina desde cedo. No Elementary e no Middle School, oferecemos laboratórios e espaços colaborativos que estimulam investigação, criatividade e autonomia. No High School, os alunos encontram salas especializadas e laboratórios avançados, que realmente preparam para a vida acadêmica e profissional. Cada espaço que criamos foi pensado para que toda a escola ensine o tempo todo, de forma natural, fluida e inspiradora.
For the coming years, I see a school that stays true to its spirit, caring, creative, and community-driven. And I believe parent volunteers will remain an essential part of that journey, building bridges and strengthening our sense of belonging.
What makes this project so special is not its size or ambition. It represents trust. Trust that we will keep welcoming more students, more families, and more dreams. It is a promise that learning here will continue to be intimate, innovative, and personal.